Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Customer said her blower motor was not working at all. I am only going to show you an emergency hack. This is just a temporary hack, but a lot of times it does work. Also, it's also a simple diagnostic if you don't have any fancy tools to know if it's not working. One of the ways to know about your blower, if your blower only comes on at high speed, that's going to be the resistor. If it only comes on at high speed, 9 times out of 10, that's going to be your resistor for the blower. If you turn the blower on and it does absolutely nothing, you come under here, you find the blower, which is sitting right here, and you take your hand and you smack it, and if it comes on, you need a blower. You hear the noise. Customer thought she had nothing and she couldn't do anything until she gets paid, and I showed her she could smack that. It's very temporary, but find your blower motor, which is usually going to be up under here somewhere, and smack it real hard when you actually have power. When you do that, you actually if it comes on, then you know you need a blower motor. I'm here to help you guys as best I can. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave nice comments and suggestions. Thank you.